In this next video, we're going to be testing out some products that were sent to us by Spa Marvel. I want to thank Tim for sending that to us. First is the Spa Marvel cleanser. Before you drain it, make sure that the water's topped up. Make sure you pull your filters. You don't need the filters in for this. And we're just going to turn the jets on high. Make sure you read the instructions in the back. So before we drain this thing, we're just going to make sure that it's topped up. I like it when it's heated. Just before you drain it, we're going to put this stuff in. Just sprinkle it all in there. Run this for 24 hours. Like I said, read the instructions in the back. You can change it on your spa to run for 24 hours. Some spas you're going to have to keep on turning on after 20 minutes. But there's some spas you can turn it on for 24 hours so it runs. Next, you're going to spray out the filters as best you can before we soak them in the filter cleaner. If you're interested in this nozzle that I'm using, I'll link it down below. Get yourself a bucket that's big enough that you can fit both filters in. Filter cleaner. Just use 2 caps. If it's worse, you can always put more. Add some hot water so you can dilute the solution. The reason why I use hot water is that it dilutes that solution right away. So I don't have to worry about stirring it and stuff. If you use cold water, there's a chance that that won't dissolve fast enough. So just put it in. Both filters. Now I forgot to say, wear gloves. Your eye goggles, gloves. The gloves I'm wearing are meant for chemicals. So it's good to have. They don't cost that much money. So you're going to leave the solution soaked for 24 hours. This is why it's good to have a second set of filters. You'll have one soak, and the other one, the clean ones, will be in the tub. So you only soak this for 24 hours. So I got to try to keep that down. You don't want something heavy that will crush this. You just want to hold it down. So the only thing I have is ski pole. So we got it held down, and as you can see, we washed it, and you can see it's already working, which I am impressed. I've never used this stuff before. We've only had it for a few minutes, so 24 hours. So leave that in there. Well, it's been 24 hours. We're just going to take them out of the bucket, clean the bucket off, then we're going to spray it down again. After you sprayed them off, put them somewhere where they'll dry. We ran this for 24 hours. Lots of stuff has come out. So we just have to drain it. So we're going to use a quick drain. I'll link it down below. As it's draining down, just clean it as normal and vacuum everything all out. Do what you normally would do when you clean the tub. Next, we're going to use the X10 water filter. Before attaching it to the hose, make sure you run the hose for over 30 seconds. Then you attach it. After you attach it, run it through the X10 water filter for about 30 seconds. You'll see some black stuff come out. And then you can put it in the hot tub to start filling it. Put the clean filters back in. When it gets up to operating level, you can turn the power back on. Set your temperature where you normally would put it. Test and balance your water as you normally would. Once your water gets up to temperature, we're going to add the treatment and conditioner. Turn the jets on and just pour it in. Again, I want to thank Tim at Spa Marvel for sending all these products to us to try out. I'll link down below Spa Marvel's website, so if you have any questions, either you can get a hold of me or you can get a hold of Spa Marvel. Any of the products we used in this video, I'll link everything down below in the description. If you have a swimming pool, they do have the treatment and conditioner for that. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because I do have videos coming up showing the outcome of 30 days of using this treatment.